Understanding, make up a quote, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, make up a quote. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both writing and speaking. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting phrase. The phrase, make up a quote, has two key components: make up and quote. To make up something means to create or invent it, often from your imagination. A quote is a verbatim excerpt from someone's speech or writing. So, when you make up a quote, you are essentially creating a fictional quotation. It's like inventing something that someone could have said, but they didn't actually say it. You might use make up a quote in creative writing or speeches to support a point or add interest. However, it's important to clarify that the quote is made up, especially in formal or academic settings, to avoid misrepresentation. Example 1. In a novel, a character might say, "As my mother always used to say, the brightest stars shine on the darkest nights." Here, the author has made up a quote to add depth to the character. Example 2. In a speech, you might say, "Imagine if Albert Einstein had said, 'The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination.'" Although Einstein did not actually say this, it fits with his known views. While make up a quote can be a creative tool, it's crucial to use it ethically. Misquoting or creating false quotes for deceptive purposes is not only unethical but can also damage your credibility. Always make it clear when a quote is invented, particularly in educational, journalistic, or professional contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means to make up a quote, and how you can use this phrase effectively and ethically in English. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and with great power comes great responsibility. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using English phrases like a pro. See you in the next video.